As remote learning has become the norm in Bergen County, Terry Caparelli, director of the Habitat for Humanity Restore, has seen a trend developing.
At least a half a dozen times a day, we would get either a mom or a dad, a brother or a sister come into the store and ask if we had any desks.
For how long?
This is still going on, that people come in and want to know if we have desks in the Restore for their children.
And not just any desks. Your average office desk is too big. And if you have more than one child, that's a lot of desk space.
And my eldest daughter, she and her husband were both virtually teaching, and they have 3 children. And she said to me, "Mom, you have no idea how difficult it is, not only with us teaching, but then having children at home. And everybody is being displaced because you have children at a dining room table, at a kitchen table, you're picking up, you're getting ready for dinner." And it just became, overwhelming for her.
And an aha moment was had. Not just any desks.
These desks, the size that we're making, are quite portable, and they're able to go into anybody's room, and if you have to keep it in a living room, it can be kept in a living room.
These desks expertly put together by the Greyheads, an organization of retired men who volunteer here.
But we are all volunteers that have had very fortunate lives and want to give some of it back. So for some of us whose careers were not necessarily in construction, we are working up a learning curve as well, and it's always good to learn new things.
The kids need desks, so we are making desks.
So far, they've donated 10 desks to the Hiller School in Hackensack, and they're getting ready to deliver 20 more in January.
And one of the moms asked when she had to return the desks, and we told her that they were, theirs to keep. And she started crying, and of course, at that point, there wasn't a dry eye in the house. So these desks are for the children to continue their learning. We have to pay it forward and take care of our future generation.
Reporting in Westwood, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.